Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. In this video, we're going to discuss about what is M20 in grade of concrete. I mean, what represent that, and concrete mix design. So, if we are a structural engineer or if we are doing if we are designing a structure, then this term is very important for us. What is M20 in grade of concrete and concrete mix design? So let's start, and if you're new here, you can watch our previous video that already uploaded in this video. So let's start. So first of all, we will see what is M20. So first of all, we'll take M and also 20. Okay, so now we'll discuss about M. What represent M? So it represent mix. M represent mix. What is the meaning of mix? So by using mix design, okay, by using mix design, we'll found the value of a concrete. We'll found the value of a concrete, and that have been divided with some grade, and its first word is M, and it's representing the mix. Mix means the word from the mix design. Then if we go in 20, so it's referred to, I mean 20 refers to the characteristics compressive strength of 150 millimeter cube at 28 days in Newton millimeter square. What is the meaning of that? So here 20 represent the compressive strength, I mean characteristics compressive strength of a concrete after a compressive test of a cube. The cube size is 150 millimeter. Okay, and this value are found from after curing at 28 days in Newton per millimeter square. I mean the M represent mix, and 20 represent that grade of concrete. That grade of concrete's compressive strength is 20 Newton per millimeter square. So this is the meaning. So here if we use 40, not 20, 40, 30, so anyone will represent the compressive strength at 28 days after a cubic test of 150 millimeter cube. So if we consider 30, it will be 30 Newton per millimeter square compressive strength, like that. So here the minimum grade of plain concrete PCC shall be 50 Newton per millimeter square. The minimum grade of plain concrete should be 50 Newton per millimeter square. I mean our M50 grade concrete. Then the minimum grade of reinforced concrete. I mean, what is the plain concrete? Plain concrete, if we work for some forecasting, or we know that below the brick wall we used some concrete soling. This is the plain concrete. Okay, so this plain concrete strength shouldn't be less than 50 Newton per millimeter square. But the minimum grade of reinforced concrete. What is the reinforced concrete? When we'll used the concrete with reinforcement, I mean when we'll design for beam, slab, or anything with reinforced concrete, I mean with reinforcement, then its strength shouldn't be less than 20 Newton per millimeter square. So I think it's clear to you that what is the meaning of M20. So thank you very much, and if you think that that's helpful for you, press the like button and also share that video with your engineer friend, and also subscribe to our channel, and I will come with another new video. So till then, stay connected till next video. Thank you very much.